Hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Today onward, I am going to start your new chapter number 4, agriculture. What is the agriculture? Firstly, we would learn about agriculture. Agriculture is the science that teach us the how to develop the crops. Understand, which teach about the crops, plants, how we can grow crops. Understand, dear students, you all are living this time in rural areas, and you all all are aware of the little bit aware of the agriculture. Understand, in history you learn that agriculture is the main occupation from the ancient time in India. Not in India, but even foreign countries, agriculture is the main occupation of people. Understand, because dear students, you know that food is the essential for living in this earth. If we don't eat food, we can't live. Understand, for it, agriculture is the science which we teach that how to grow more crops in a field. You learn that in previous chapters that 70% of the earth is covered with water. 70% earth is covered with water. It means 30 or 29 approx 30 or 29% is covered with land. Understand, but these all lands are not for crops, to growing crops. That you know, the population of India is too vast for it. Agriculture, how we manage to grow crops in this small land, that how we grow more crops for the people. Understand, dear students, then a agriculture is a science which teach us the how we can grow more crops on a limited land. Understand, dear student, then agriculture play in the introduction. Agriculture play crucial role in economy of developing countries or provide the main source of food. As I already tell you that in economy the agriculture plays a very important role. You already know, the in India still we are developing country, but agriculture is the main occupation of many people. Or you can see, dear students, when in this lockdown people come in their villages and growing crops for their occupation. Understand, dear students, then food, it gives us food, income for you. You know that many of the people, families totally belong on the agriculture. Understand, and employment to their rural population. Agriculture can help reduce poverty. Poverty means garibi. Understand, many peoples are there who grow crops and sell it on the market, and reduce means कम करते हैं अपनी poverty. Raise income, it raise income. Suppose you grow crops in your field and sell it on the market, then you gain gain money. You gain money, and it will be your income. It will be your income, and improve food security for 80% of the poor in live in the villages. Understand, dear students, as I already tell you, the in the villages 90% approx 90% people depends on the their agriculture. Understand, dear students, you can understand that in the ancient time India is also called the uh, golden bird. What is the reason of the telling the golden bird? It is not a for gold. India is not gold because India is rich with agriculture. understand. You read in the history that all foreigner kings come here and lives side of the rivers. What is the reason why they lived on the river, bank of the river? Why they don't live in the cities? Agriculture because of agriculture there is the water and they grow main crops. Understand, dear student? It is the introduction of agriculture. From next day I will teach you importance of agriculture. Thank you, dear student.